Welcome to the world of Indian truck drivers. Data shows that 1 in 3 truck drivers in India have compromised vision. Trucks and lorries were involved in over 25,000 crashes and over 10,000 deaths.
आपने कभी आंखें टेस्ट कराई हैं?
आंखें तो अपने टेस्ट कर लेती हैं। इसकी खनकाई 18,000 भी समझा रहे वो कैसे अफोर्ड करेगा?
Most truckers come from the lowest income strata and find clinical or prescriptive communication intimidating, making them averse to getting eye tests done.
आंखें किनकी बचती है ना जो आपकी उम्र के?
Since they won't come to us, we went to them. In the middle of their long journeys, the truckers' pit stop is at the ubiquitous Indian dhaba that serves them regional home-style food. We removed the old menus from the tables and the walls and replaced it with our eye test menu, which was the only way to order food. Titan Eye Plus, India's expert eye care brand, presents the Eye Test Menu, a fusion of the functional eye test chart and Indian truck art that heavily borrows motifs and designs truckers proudly use to adorn their trucks with love and passion.
जल्दी का MK
छोटा अक्षर नहीं दिखता है।
नहीं दिख रहा नहीं, वो तो ऐसे जीरो लगता है।
Once the truckers knew they had a problem, we had optometrists on site to conduct a thorough eye exam.
The eye test is devised and designed exactly the way we do in our clinic. The only difference is the alphabets are replaced with the names of menu dishes.
The glasses were then shipped to their home addresses.
इतने ट्रक वाले हैं उनको चश्मा लगाना चाहिए, ये लाजमी है, बहुत जरूरी है निगाह वास्ते।
42,000 drivers tested yet, which means 42,000 potential accidents avoided. Extensively covered by major national and regional media, this cause has caught the attention of India's largest truck manufacturers, Tata Motors, National Highway Authority of India, and even United Nations India, who want to further the cause. The Eye Test Menu by Titan Eye Plus, a major milestone in making Indian roads safe.